All right, who's the prosecutor on Paul David Marcel?
Judge.
All right, thank you. So where are we on discovery?
We were waiting on an EDU. I have emailed Ms. Lauren Glasscock to get a copy of that EDU for defense. I've told defense this. I have not heard back from Ms. Glasscock yet, but that should not be such a time-consuming thing to just get that EDU for defense. I noticed that there was a note that said follow up on this, but I didn't see notes that it was requested.
Okay.
So I have officially requested it.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, this is going to be the last discovery date. Can I have a 30-day reset for discovery, please? That's 30 days? July 24th? All right, will y'all be able to have it July 24th?
The state believes we could, and I will email it over to the Norton firm as soon as I get it.
All right, July 24th for discovery.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, then I have before me a motion to travel.
The state has not seen that motion yet.
All right, so if you'll confer with the state on that.
Thank you. You can have a seat.
All right, have you had a chance to confer with the state?
We have.
All right, who did you confer with?
Prosecutor was just up here. He just stepped out.
All right, I tell you what, let's wait for the prosecutor to come back. When he comes in, just approach.
Okay.
All right, sir, just have a seat. We're waiting for the prosecutor to confer with your attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's hear on John. Thank you. I mean, has he been brought out? Oh, he's in, I'm fine. Who's the attorney for Mike Hernandez? Come forward, please.
We've been in the conferring stage and now we come to better and greater information that narrows down the issue and the opportunity to maybe get this thing resolved. So the offer that was expressed this morning, we need some time to go through it. And I think this case may be resolved if we could get about 30 to 45 days or so.
No. Ms. Ferguson? Set this for, how old are you, sir?
41.
All right, Norma, set this for a plea deadline date for July 28th, please.
That's fair. That's fair. Okay.
All right, once he signs the reset form, he's excused.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
And thank you for remembering the date, too.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Mr. Marcel, that was the motion to attend church, and it looks like you granted it back in June, so.
Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay, so it's already been granted?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So thank you.
All right, thanks. All right, did y'all finish conferring on John Anthony Martinez? All right, okay, thank you. Janesha Walker?
Do you want my client up here as well?
Yes.
Ms. Walker? Oh, there she is.
Why were you late?
I was in line outside.
All right, so let me explain something to you. Just like attorneys, judges are attorneys, and sometimes we have training we must attend to. And when you are late, what ends up happening is, if there's another judge sitting on the bench, you know what would end up happening?
No, ma'am.
You'd be going to jail because they would do a bond forfeiture. And there are some judges who come and sit in my court. You know what they do? They call the docket. And if you come in after they pass your name on the docket, guess what ends up happening?
Go to jail.
Yeah, you go to jail. So your time to be here in court is at 9 a.m. And if you're not here at 9 a.m., what's going to end up happening is a warrant is going to be issued. Do you understand?
Ma'am.
All right. So today is the plea deadline date, is it not?
It is, Judge. The state is requesting additional time to look into a few things. We've been in plea negotiations with the state and they are asking for just a little bit additional time.
All right. Who are you conferring with?
Ms. Galloway, Judge.
All right. State, how much time are you requesting?
Judge, we get 30 days, Ms. Russell did provide you some more information further investigation.
All right. And do you have all of your discovery?
Yes.
All right. Ms. Ferguson? I need a 30-day reset for plea deadline date. This will be your final plea deadline date. All right, August 5th, and I need an acknowledgement of discovery signed.
I'm terribly sorry. I'm out of county and on that day. I can do any other day that week.
All right, Norma, set it for August 4th. All right. Just
Thank you.
have a seat. She'll bring the reset form to you. And state, I need an acknowledgement of discovery.
Yes. Bill, Richard's dish calls.
Just give me a moment.
Not yet.
Lacey Strock,
In the box, come here. Stay right there, lady, until dish calls you. Have a seat. Until the dish calls.
all right. So who's the prosecutor?
I was
All right, this is family violence, violation of protective order.
actually concerned.
All right, so have you conferred with the defense?
Not this morning, if we could have just a few
All
moments.
right, if you'll have a seat, your attorney's going to confer with the state. And then I'll take it up, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, on this one, they're not ready. Who's here on Juan Alberto Martinez? Good morning. Hello, Mr. Martinez. How are you doing this morning?
Good, fine, ma'am.
All right, counsel, where are we on discovery?
Judge, I filed another letter this morning. Well, actually, I filed it Sunday. I gave a copy to the prosecutors this morning. They're having problems finding their file on.
All right, could I see the letter?
Yes, Your Honor. Give me just a moment.
Sure. And who's the attorney on Mount Castle? Could you see if you can get the attorney here on Mount Castle, please? Because she's here.
A little more big.
I wonder this little bit too.
Yeah, I'm trying, it's
It's
a
very,
very big brochure.
yes, and where.
Ms. Mount Castle, just give us a moment, please. And I'm gonna mute you on your end. Hi. All right, so state, do you know where your file is?
We called our clerk I believe it's supposed to be upstairs. Besides leaving the court and going to check, that could be the last thing. We do have a copy of the discovery motion defense is talking about. I have conferred with defense things we're gonna look into, but as physical location, no. We tried contacting our clerk.
All right. Counsel, we can recall this for tomorrow and the state will make sure that the file is here.
Okay, that's fine, Judge. I think we probably will have enough information in the next 30 days.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall this for tomorrow. And they'll make sure the state's file is here.
Sure,
So
Judge.
we'll know that it exists.
Okay, and the court can keep that copy of that motion if you desire.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You know, in the words of Pharaoh from the Ten Commandments, if the file is here, bring it in change. If it's a myth, bring it in a bottle. We'll see what happens.
See you tomorrow. Take it. Yeah.
Yes,
Excuse, Your Honor.
yes.
Thank you.
Yes. All right, thank you. Yeah, thanks. Okay, we're gonna see what they request. All right, Norma, do you have the attorney on Mountcastle? All right. What are you waiting for?
That's a tomorrow, it's a Mejia Ortega, it's a. Yeah, tomorrow Mejia Ortega.
Thank you, Ms. Rockmore. Tomorrow.
All right, Mr. Miss Mountcastle,
Yes,
we're just waiting for your attorney.
Patrice, Charlie, and Don Gonzalo.
I hope he's gonna be here because I was supposed to be here this morning. And I missed it because I had to clean up.
No, that's okay. Your attorney's gonna be here, all right?
All right, thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome. Just be
I'm glad
patient.
to finally be here because it's been canceled so many times.
All right, well, what I can tell
I've
you
never
is,
been in jail before.
all right, what I can tell you is that hasn't been canceled on my end. That has to do with your attorney possibly. So just be patient with us. We're waiting for your attorney. Your attorney is Anthony Cantrell. And it
Yes,
shows
I
that's the
am.
person that you hired. So just wait for him, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. And Norma, Michael Bellevue is zooming in again. Can you see where his client is? They're supposed to be by Zoom, Essex? Yes, sir.
We're ready to proceed.
All right, just give me one moment.
All right, here's your closing commentary in the style of Law Talk with Mike. That hearing had a little bit of everything plea deadlines, discovery issues, scheduling snags, and a couple of moments of unfiltered humor that you only get when everyone's been in court all morning. One of the main cases was Paul David Marcel's, where the defense was still waiting on an educational assessment from the state. Judge Boyd was clearly done with the delays, setting a final discovery date for July 24th and making it clear there wouldn't be more extensions after that. The other big topic was a motion to travel, which apparently had already been granted. In June, so that piece was resolved without much fuss. You could see the judge working to keep things moving, but still allowing enough time for the lawyers to work out final offers. Then you had Mike Hernandez's case, where the defense felt optimistic that a new plea offer could resolve everything if they had just a few more weeks to negotiate. Judge Boyd agreed to a July 28th plea deadline that underlined that this was the end of the line for delays. What stood out was how consistently she reminded everyone, especially defendants, that these hearings matter. She wasn't going to treat any of it like a routine reset, even when it was the 5th or 6th time a case had been set. There were also moments that showed the softer, more human side of the process. One defendant, Janesha Walker, came in late and was pretty candid about being stuck in line outside. Judge Boyd used it as a teaching moment, explaining that another judge might have simply issued a bond forfeiture and sent her straight to jail. You could tell Ms. Walker hadn't really thought about that possibility, and the conversation struck. A tone that was serious, but not unkind, more of a firm nudge to take future court dates seriously. And in between all of this, there were some classic little exchanges, like the defense attorney referencing the 10 Commandments, trying to track down a missing file. If it exists, bring it in, which even got a laugh out of the judge. Overall, it was one of those hearings that shows how courts juggle a dozen moving parts: discovery that hasn't arrived, clients who don't show up, plea negotiations still in progress, and judges trying to keep a sense of order without losing patience. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read everyone, *.